Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoycha Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with another It's Fall Y'all swap reveal number 4. Now this next beautiful queen that I am going to be showcasing today, her name is Miss Hattie Jones. If I have any information on Miss Jones, if y'all want to reach out to her for her to make y'all something, please, I'm going to leave all her information down in the description box. But before I get started, I want to say, Miss Jones, thank you so very much, sweetheart, for allowing yourself to be a blessing to one of the queens here in this group. We so greatly appreciate you, beloved, for walking and allowing yourself to walk in your greatness. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, everyone, so we're going to go ahead and do this wonderful swap reveal for Miss Jones. It came in this box and I have not opened it. So I'm going to take and open it up so we can see all of the goodies that she has made. Miss Jones is another lady that met me here on the YT, and she also started following me. I pretty much met Miss Jones through my Jewelry Talk Live. And Miss Jones, oh, she's such a sweet, sweet, sweet soul. She's been with me ever since. So this is the box. And I want to get it under here so y'all can see it. She has Miss Joyce on here. And this, let me see. So her stuff came in this box. Oh, she got some goodies. Oh, this bag is gorgeous. Okay, all right. I'm so excited, y'all. So, so this bag right here, this is for me. That's my bag. Okay, so this is my bag. All right, I'm gonna set that right there on the side. And these are all her swap goodies. These are her swap goodies. All right, so I'm going to take them out. Let me see. One by one. Okay, so this is for her swap partner. That's for the swap partner. Oh, she got so many goodies in here. Oh, this is for me. I am going to open mine up, y'all, and share it with y'all. Oh, I just love it. Look at this. Oh, she got so much goodies in here. Oh, wow. She said, please show the card for the recipient I made. Thanks. Okay, yes, I will. Yes, I will. So this is my card. And this is the recipient's card. Okay, so basically, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to open up these cards. Okay? So y'all bear with me because Miss Jones is serious. When I say serious, Miss Jones is serious. Okay, so I'm going to open up the card, my card first. And then I'm going to open up because she want me to make sure that I read the card for the swap. So I'm going to open up mine first. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Miss Jones. Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, wait a minute. It's a page here. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Miss Jones, you got many talents. Many talents, Miss Jones. Enjoy the childlike flowers. Miss Jones, art is art. It doesn't, art is art. That's all I'm going to say. It's gorgeous. Thank you. And then I got my little painting right here on the side. It's beautiful. You are loved. And I love you too, Miss Jones. Thank you. Love you, Hattie Jones. Thank you. Look at this. This is too cute. Oh, she said Upcycled Art by Hattie 2019. Look at that. This is just too cute, Miss Jones. I greatly appreciate it so very much. I'm gonna have to find me a place where I can start displaying and having my cards, y'all, because these are very, very sentimental to me, and I greatly appreciate it so much. So much, y'all. So I'm gonna open up the swap partner card. And this is the swap partner card, and she got some dots on here. She got red, white, black, and yellow. Wait a minute, I can't. Red, black, green, and yellow. Okay. Oh my, look at this. This is for her swap partner. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Wow. That's all I can say. Miss Jones, I love it. Okay. The Village. Oh, wow. Look at this. Wait a minute. Is it another page here? Okay, I was just making sure. Didn't want to skip anything. And then she says, may the peace of God and multiplied blessings overtake you daily, Queen. Love, Hattie Jones. That is absolutely gorgeous. This is so beautiful. Wow. And I'm getting, this is just, Queen, whoever gets this card, is the energy is just, it speaks volumes. So thank you so much, Miss Jones. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Miss Jones, this is another thing you can get into. These are cards, and I'm telling you, people would pay for this type of art because it's one of a kind and it's different. Let me shut up. But thank you, Miss Jones. And I was saying shut up because people be listening, and then y'all know how I go, right? So let me get into her actual swaps. So this right here is for me. Well, wait a minute. Okay, so this is for me. I'm thinking these are mine. These are my gifts. And she made this out of paper. And she was just telling me she didn't, but I love that. I love the inside of this, Miss Brown. This is gorgeous. Wow. This is awesome, y'all. Look at this talent. So awesome. And she got Happy Fall, and I believe this goes with that. And then I have another item right here. That I'm gonna open. Oh, this is just too awesome. Oh, look at this. Wait a minute, I gotta move this to the side. Miss Jones, look at this, y'all. Oh, wow, look at this. This is a bracelet, and I got a matching pair. Oh, hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, I love it, Queen. Oh, I love it so much. Okay, I gotta open it up, y'all. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love the colors. Oh, look at this. Wow. And I can adjust it and put it on my arm. Yes, Queen, yes. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, she got a coral shell up at the top. Go ahead, Miss Jones. Yes, that's gorgeous. All right, now let me see these earrings. Oh, this is just too nice. Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. It was a smoothie out saying, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I forgot what show it was. I think it was something with Marlon Wallins in it. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at these, y'all. Look. Look at these. Look at my babies. Oh, these are so cute, Miss Jones. You know, everybody has their own, like I said today, I did a video not too long ago about where everybody, none of us have the same fingerprint. And you can always tell because when you look at an artist's artwork, no matter what you do, you have to, your work will be your work. It's yours. You know what I mean? So that's why I tell y'all that it's more than enough room because nobody can compete with you. Nobody can. You know, what you do is what you do. No matter how they try, they can't compete with you. So these are my gifts. I'm going to put these back in the bag, and then we're going to get to the main event, okay? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just enjoying this, right? I'm enjoying this. Thank you so much, Miss Jones. I greatly appreciate it, and I will definitely wear it well. I gotta find some places to go, y'all, in order to wear my things, because I don't like, if I go to the store, I may wear something to the store, but I really gotta find somewhere where I can go and wear my stuff. So thank you so much, Miss Jones. I greatly appreciate it. I'm hoping that this is mine, but it may not be. This may just be mine, and this may be for the recipient. But this is gorgeous. All right, so let's get into the other event. Okay. So this is the other event. And this is for the swap partner. So I'm going to pull everything out. And, oh gosh, everything here is just so beautiful. This is the beautiful bag she sent it in. Yes. Y'all are going to enjoy your items. Look at this. And you're going to be getting 1, 2, 3, 4 pair of earrings. Okay. Here we go. Oh, this is cute. She got a little pumpkin on it. You know what? And everything that she's sending y'all goes along with the title of our swap. It's for y'all. Like, I'm saying, like, wow, this is awesome. Okay, so this is the first pair of earrings. Oh, these are nice and soft. This is the second person who made those earrings, and they're really, really soft. I just did Nicole, and Nicole had a pair of earrings, and hers was soft. Look at these. These are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. Look, 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 look. Look at these, beloveds. These are gorgeous. Oh, I love your work, Miss Jones. I really love your work. I love your work. I would not change the way that I do things. I mean, it's impossible for you to. You'll just get better. But I love the way. I just love it. It's just so. I just love it. So we have these right here. So that's the first pair, and I'm going to lay them right here. And this is for the swap partner. And then we have these right here, which these are really, really cute. These are like some dangle drop earrings. So we have these. I love the color. Yes, this just says it all. It says it all. So we have those. And then the next pair are these right here. And they're really cute too. And this, it's just, this stuff is different. Look at these. They're different. Different. Every last woman wants to be different from another woman. We may like the same things, but we definitely want to be different because we are. So that's another pair. So 3. And then this is the final pair right here. And this is number 4. Oh, look at these. Look at these. Look at these. Look at these. Oh, these are just too cute. She got some faces on the pumpkins. Yes, this says it all. It's fall, y'all. Wow. Really, really cute. So you're going to be getting 1, 2, 3, and 4 pair of gorgeous earrings made from Miss Jones. And once again, Miss Jones, I want to say thank you for my gifts. I want to say thank you for participating in this swap. I greatly appreciate it, Queen. You've been in just about every swap that we've had. I think you've been in every swap that we've had, Miss Jones, except for maybe the one that we did last year. But I believe that you've been in every swap since then. So thank you so much, Queen, for participating. And I want to thank, I just thank you. I want to thank those of you who decided to click onto this video and watch this video today. And if you are new to this platform, please subscribe by hitting that all bell on the side. And also give this video a thumbs up, and share. I want to thank y'all for watching. And until the next one, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.